Hi guys, how are you all? In this video, I am going to show you how to create Karvachauth look, and I'm going to fully try and transform myself for Karvachauth. So stay tuned and come with me and let's see how do we transform ourselves. So first thing, I'm going to moisturize my face. You can take any moisturizer and just moisturize your face properly. All over. After this, I'm going to take a primer. You can take any primer. I am taking MAC primer, and I'm going to just apply on the face all over. I have used a lot of primers, but I feel that what glow and lift MAC gives is like amazing. After this, I am going to now conceal my face. I am going to conceal my face with the K Beauty concealer. Is amazing. Under eye, all the spots, is going to conceal properly. So I am done with my concealer. After this, now I'm going to use foundation. This is Maybelline Fit Me foundation. So I'm just going to take few drops, 2 pumps. I'm now going to do my face very cakey and then start dapping it. So now my foundation is done. We just dab all over. So now after this, I am just going to tell you one trick that you, after applying this foundation, just fix your makeup so that your face is fully packed and sealed and it is not going to move anywhere. And after this, I'm going to come to my eyes. First thing is I'm going to fill my eyebrows. You can take any eyebrow, pencil or powder. I am taking this one. It is from Benefit. This is done. Now I'm going to come to eyeshadow. So I'm using this palette from Forever 52. You can use from any palette. I'm taking light pink shade and just going on the outer corner, both the sides of my eyes. So now the crease is done on both the eyes. Now I'm going to take red shade and just apply it on outer corner. Blend it properly. This one on Southern Ocean. Other side. So now I'm going to take golden shade and just going to apply on the eyelid. And on other eye. Cut it. So the glitter is done. So now I am done with my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to apply eyeliner. This is Maybelline's eyeliner pencil. I'm just going to apply both the eyes very slowly. So now my eyes is done. Now I'm going to apply blush on the sides. Little bit on the nose. Then I'm going to apply shimmer just to highlight my face. On the nose area. Street line. And I'm not going to do any kind of contouring because every time doing contour is not fine. Like I just do it like very rare. I try and do it very rare. I just try and keep it as natural as possible because this festival is very unique for all the married ladies. And after this, I am going to just seal my face with the powder. So I have this powder. I'm just going to seal my face. I'm just going to dab my face with sugar powder. Is done. And going to apply lipstick, proper red, because everybody prefers like wearing red and applying red color lipstick. So now my lipstick is also done. The final thing is this fixer. Again, I'm going to fix this. Okay. So makeup is done. Now I'll be right back. So this is my Karvachauth's final look. Hope you guys liked it. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you guys soon. Bye.